everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now there's one thing that we all keep wondering while watching all the K-dramas is how do these Korean actresses have such flawless skin? What is their skin secret? While we all struggle to get flawless, beautiful skin, Korean women particularly have their best foot forward and they ace at skincare and beauty. Now, as we all know, that snail mucin trend has gone so much viral all across Instagram and internet, and oh my god, I have something in my hands right now which is something that we all Indian women need. It is the Cleanstars Snail Mucin Face Cleanser and Face Serum, which has 96% of snail filtrate. Now this duo will work to give your skin that youthful complexion. Since snail filtrate is known for its hydrating and repairing properties, so it's going to hydrate your skin, make it soft and smoother, and it will also tackle all the issues of fine lines, wrinkles, and will deal with the anti-aging issues at the same time. Now the Cleanstars Snail Mucin Face Cleanser is hydrating and gently cleanses for a smoother, more youthful complexion. It ensures intense hydration, helps in skin renewal and nourishes your skin for a revitalized, youthful complexion. And the Cleanstars Snail Mucin Face Serum repairs damaged skin and is anti-aging that enhances skin elasticity, revealing radiant and healthy looking skin, making it soft and plumper. So these products give 24 hours of hydration, which is exactly what I'm going to test today. So stay tuned for that. So guys, it's been almost 24 hours since I applied the Cleanstar products yesterday, and after that I haven't applied anything on my face. Trust me, I can still feel that my skin is hydrated enough. I can feel the boost of hydration in my skin. It's still very soft, very supple, and it feels fine, absolutely. It doesn't feel like I haven't applied anything from the past 24 hours. Otherwise, usually in summers my skin would become very dry and stretchy, but right now it feels extremely hydrated, supple and soft. The brand has taken initiative towards needy and poor people who do not have access to clean drinking water. So with every order that you make with them, they will give 1 liter of water to a needy person, and they pledge to give 1 billion liters of water till 2030. So I'm going to have the product links in the description box below, so definitely check it out. Try it for yourself and you will know the secret behind Korean beauty. Steaming is the most important thing that Korean women do every morning while they treat themselves to a hot shower. That is the time when they massage their face and their neck for 5 to 7 minutes. So that's gonna just help take in all the hot steam when your pores are open, and it's gonna make your skin appear much more youthful. These are the women who have actually taught the rest of the world the concept of double cleansing, which works magically. Practicing double cleanses consisting of removing makeup with a gentle oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser. K-beauty is incomplete without facial massagers, be it using face rollers or gua shas. Korean women, they do not complete their skincare without massaging their face for glowing and younger looking skin. If you do not want to use any rollers or gua shas or any high-tech devices, you can make use of your fingers and just think of it as facial pilates. Sheet masks is something that we are all aware of by now. They use a lot of sheet masks dipped in different concentrations, and then they just keep it on to their face, which is a very common Korean beauty trend, and it provides an instant boost of hydration. the perfect combo of the Cleanstar Snail Mucin Cleanser and Face Serum is all you women need for this summer season. Trust me, and you can get a 25% discount. They are available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Myntra and Cleanstar.com. So again, I'm going to mention the product links in the description for you to have a look. Definitely check them out and try for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I enjoyed talking about K-beauty trends and I hope you enjoyed the same. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon. Bye.